Here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We pick it up and right away it feels premium in hand. First thing we noticed was the design. It's just 7.9 millimeters thin and weighs 214 grams, which actually makes it feel slimmer and more balanced than previous Ultras. From the front, that big 6.9-inch display looks super clean and immersive. From the sides, it feels sleek and comfortable to hold, not bulky at all. Now, flipping it to the back, this is where things get interesting. We get this new glass camera island that smoothly blends into the body. It doesn't look like a separate bump anymore, it just flows with the design, and honestly, it looks much more refined. In terms of Android version, we're getting One UI 8.5, so everything feels smooth, simple, and easy to navigate. Now let's talk about the display experience. We've got an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, and if we want to save some battery, we can switch it down to 60 Hz. But in real use, we stayed on 120 Hz, and yeah, scrolling feels really smooth. Everything just flows nicely. Now let's get into the most hyped feature, privacy mode. We just go into settings, head to display, and it's right there. As soon as we turn it on, boom. From both sides, the screen goes completely dark, like you can't see anything at all. But when we look at it straight on, everything is perfectly visible. It feels normal, like nothing changed. Then we tap it again and it goes back to regular mode. And the cool part is we don't even have to go into settings every time. We can just swipe down and toggle it from the shortcut panel. Super quick, super practical. Now moving to the camera. We started with the 10x zoom and honestly it performed really well. The image stayed clear and stabilization helped keep things steady. We still get that 200 megapixel main sensor, now slightly improved, along with a 50 megapixel telephoto. Overall, image quality is solid, especially in low light. Samsung is still doing a really good job there. But what really surprised us was the photo assist feature. We tried editing a photo, we asked it to remove a base and replace it with a white flower base on the ground, and it actually worked. It handled the edit cleanly, which was pretty impressive. Now let's talk about the battery. We're getting super fast charging 3.0, and it charges up to 75% in around 30 minutes. So yeah, that's fast and convenient for daily use. In terms of memory, we've got 12 GB RAM with either 256 GB or 512 GB storage options. We tested multitasking, opened a bunch of apps, switched between them, and everything stayed smooth. No lag at all. Even the task switching animation, that motion when we slide through apps, felt really nice and polished. Now for gaming. We tried Call of Duty and performance was solid. With the powerful cores and that large vapor chamber, it handled heat pretty well. Then we played PUBG Mobile, even in intense matches, especially near the last circle, the FPS stayed stable. We didn't notice any frame drops, which was impressive. Now, if you're a competitive gamer, we'd still say something like Red Magic might give you an edge with more aggressive cooling, but for an all-around experience, this feels like a really balanced device. So overall, after using it, we were honestly surprised. And yeah, the biggest highlight here is clear. This is the world's first smartphone with a built-in privacy display. That's it for today. What do you think about the new privacy mode? Actually useful or just another feature with no real impact? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.